I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my 7th Lush Empties, which is absolutely insane. 7 videos of complete Lush Empties. I'm so impressed with myself. I have got through quite a lot over the past 6 months and I feel quite impressed with myself. Now, I'm not the quickest at using my Lush products. I find certain products really hard to get through. For example, shower gels and body lotions. I find I use those for absolutely ages and I don't know why I can't get through them quicker. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products to share with you that I have completely used up over the past 6 months. I'm so excited, so impressed with myself, and yeah, I thought I would share them with you. So grab yourselves a drink, grab yourselves a snack, and let's go through my 7th Lush Empties. So these are going to be in no particular order. The first one is the Fluff shaving soap. Now, I don't believe you can get this anymore. I'm pretty sure they discontinued it a while back, and I stopped using this for ages because I absolutely love this product. I have raved and raved about it for so long, and I thought, you know what, you need to use it. You need to use it up before it goes out of date and it goes bad. So I made myself use it and I'm so gutted that I have finally finished it up because it's such a good product. I am now kind of using my Fun Bars to shave with instead, which is just as good, I suppose, but the smell of this was just unreal. It was strawberry and like sweet. It was so good. Ingredients wise, this one has rapeseed oil, golden syrup, organic rosehip oil, cocoa butter, fresh strawberries, free range egg whites, maple sugar, vanilla absolute, sweet wild orange oil, and rose absolute. So you can imagine the scent. It's just so good and I'm gutted that I finished this, so RIP, but it was amazing. Next up, we have a body lotion, which I was so impressed with myself that I managed to finally finish this, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this was severely out of date, but it smelt fine, the texture was fine, it looked fine, and I'm not by any means suggesting that you use products out of date, especially on your face, but things like shower gel, body lotion, I feel like you can use them to a certain extent. So this is the American Cream body lotion. Now this I have had for ages and I'm so glad that I finally finished it up because it was just getting on my nerves. I didn't really enjoy the texture so much. It was very loose, very thin, very watered down. I really did like the smell. It was like that from the beginning. The smell was amazing, strawberry and vanilla. Smells like a holiday and I absolutely love it, but I didn't really get on well with the texture. I don't know what it was. I think I like milkier textures for body lotion, but this was just like really runny, especially because it was in a pot. I found it really annoying to like use. I don't know. If it was in a bottle, would have been amazing. But ingredients wise, this one has almond oil, cocoa butter, vanilla absolute, sage oil, lavender, and it smells exactly like the conditioner for your hair. It's strawberry vanilla, smells like a holiday. I really did like this, but I didn't like the texture, so I'm very 50-50 on how I feel about it. Would I purchase it again? I don't know. I'm trying to get through all my body lotions. I've nearly finished a Sympathy for the Skin, which hopefully will be in my next empties. So that's going really well. I've got so many to go through. It's ridiculous. But yeah, did like this, didn't love it. Would give it like a 7 out of 10, but the smell was amazing. Next up, we have an absolute classic of a product. This is the Rub Shower Scrub. Please do excuse the state of my pots. They go in the bathroom and they get covered in bath bomb dust and God knows what, so please do excuse it. But Rub, I'm not going to go on about it too long. You guys know what it is. It's a body exfoliant. It smells like cherry blossoms. It's so good. This product is one of my all-time favourites. Ingredients wise, this has fine sea salt, lemon juice, jasmine flower infusion, mimosa absolute, orange flower absolute, jasmine absolute, lemon oil. It's just so good, and it's not harsh on the skin. It's very softening. It leaves the most silky texture on the skin. I can't even describe it, but you can also use this as a shampoo. It kind of works in a similar way to Big, so if you like Big shampoo, I love Big shampoo, but if you like it, try this as a shampoo because it's really good. But yeah, Rub, absolute classic, and would definitely use it again, so love it. Next up, we have Dream Cream body lotion. Now this was only purchased last year. I'm so impressed with myself. Dream Cream is an absolute classic. I love it. It's a really beautiful, gentle body lotion. As you guys know, I've just mentioned, I don't go through body lotions very quickly. I have no idea how I managed to go through this and American Cream within 6 months, but I did. really impressed with myself. But this is really, really great for people who've got eczema, psoriasis and that kind of thing. It's full of oat milk, so it's so gentle on the skin. It's absolutely brilliant. But ingredients wise, this one has obviously oat milk, first ingredient, really, really lovely and gentle and soothing. You also have olive oil, rose water, cocoa butter, can't speak English anymore, rose absolute, chamomile oil, tea tree oil, lavender oil, and it's just amazing. I can't get my words out. It's so good. I really, really, really love this product and I will always use it. The thing is, at the moment, like I say, I have so much body lotion, it's ridiculous. So I won't be purchasing any more until like obviously Christmas, Halloween, that kind of thing. But loved it, can't rave it enough, brilliant, amazing. Glad to have finished it though, because I have far too many. Next up we have the Snow Fairy body conditioner. I have been trying to get through my body conditioners as much as possible. I'm currently using Chris Tingle, and that is Chris Tingle, not Tingle, which means it came out probably in like 2018, which is ridiculous. I'm currently using that in my shower at the moment, really enjoying it, really loving it. But Snow Fairy is such a gentle, sweet fragrance. It's absolutely beautiful. I have moments where I don't like Snow Fairy. I have to be really in the mood for it, and to be honest, it's definitely more of a summer scent in my opinion than a winter scent. In the winter I love those like warming sort of spicy scents, Lord of Misrule, Cinders, that kind of vibe. But this one was really, really good. Really, really good for the past few months when it was warm. And ingredients wise, this has candy floss water, almond oil, cherry infusion, jojoba oil, avocado butter, mango butter and cocoa butter. So it's so rich, hydrating, sweet smelling. It's just amazing. I love it and would always, always, always use this and repurchase it every single time. So good. The next item is a shower jelly. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I have a lot of shower jellies. I use these as bubble bars now, so I crumble them under the kind of like onto a sieve, if that makes sense. I cut them up, put them on a sieve, use that as a bubble bar, and it helps me get through them a lot quicker because your girl has far too many. And for somebody who doesn't really like to use shower jellies as like a body wash, I don't know why I need this many, but this is the refresher. This one smelled like lemon sherbet. It was so good, especially for the summertime. And ingredients wise, this one has lemon infusion, lemon oil, rosewood oil, lemon myrtle oil. So it's really lemony, really fresh, really citrusy, and just beautiful for in the morning. I loved this. Would I repurchase it? I don't know. I feel like shower jellies are really great, but once I've used them before, I don't tend to have the urge to buy them again. Does that make, do you know what I mean? Like I don't know. I liked it. Did I love it? Probably not, but yeah. Next up we have a very, 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 very old product. Now please do not judge me. Don't leave me a comment to say how gross this is. I am well aware. However, again, it smelt fine. It looked fine. There was nothing gross going on. It didn't change in texture, consistency, and it was exactly the same as it was when I first used it. And that is the Life's a Beach body scrub. Now this I was given in 2015, which was when I worked there, which is insane. And I forgot I had it. It was in the back of my drawer, and it is literally like a sand texture, so it doesn't have like milky kind of texture in it. Does that make sense? It was literally a dry scrub, so it was fine to use, and I used this up within about 4 or 5 showers. I just got rid of it. And ingredients wise, this has sea salt, sand, gardenia extract, jasmine absolute, tonka absolute and vanilla. It smelled like vanilla-y, such a beautiful scent, but I don't know whether I would use this again simply because it was just a loose scrub and it kind of went everywhere. But it did smell amazing. It made my skin really soft and I did really like it. But yeah, would I buy it again? Oops. Probably not, so yeah. And the last 2 items are both face masks. The first one is the Just to Clarify Jelly face mask. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I really, really enjoyed the jelly masks. I think they were really great, really innovative, very different, and I loved having more of a non-fresh face mask option as opposed to just having the cup of coffee mask of Mag and then the Beauty Sleep, which is new. I love having more options. Now don't get me wrong, I love the fresh face masks, I really do. I have subscribed to the Fresh and Flowers box, which usually comes with one, which I'm really excited to try, but I just feel like I don't use face masks enough to warrant getting one and using it within 3 weeks. Do you know what I mean? I never really use them up quick enough. I loved these. I'm so gutted they're discontinued. I actually think I might still have one in my collection. I'm not sure. I need to double check and use that ASAP. But I love this. Ingredients wise, this one has fresh orange juice, papaya juice, bamboo stem extract, carrageenan extract, bergamot oil, lemon juice, grapefruit oil. It was just so fresh and cleansing, and it had a really fine exfoliant in there that made my skin feel so soft. So I absolutely love this. Gutted they've discontinued it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I would. I loved it. I'm throwing these pots everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with me. And last but by no means least is another face mask. This is one of my absolute favourite face masks of all time. This is the Cup of Coffee Face and Body Mask. I love this product so much. Like, if I had a massive bathroom and I could have pots of this, I would have a bucket. Like, I love it so much. This has agave syrup, kaolin, coffee infusion, talc, ground coffee, vetiver oil, vanilla absolute, cocoa extract, coriander seed oil, and I think that's about it. But I absolutely love this product so much. I think I have another one of these still in my collection at the moment. I love it so much. I can't even tell you how much I love this. It's a fine exfoliant. It makes my skin so soft. This is definitely more of a morning face mask for me. It's so invigorating and awakening, and I just absolutely love it. So if you've not tried this, please go and buy it. If you love coffee, thank me later. It's absolutely amazing. And I have tried the Body Shop version, which I do like, but it's a more sticky texture, so I definitely prefer this one, and the smell of this one is a lot nicer. So 10 out of 10, would repurchase, would buy a bucket of it, and wouldn't regret it. So good. So that is everything for my 7th Lush Empties video. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and let me know down below what you've used up recently. I would love to know, and what you guys are kind of using at the moment. Again, I would love to know. I tried to reply to every single comment, so feel free to leave me a comment down below. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe. It means the absolute world when you guys subscribe, and I would love to hit 10k on here. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.